Hello, myself Dr. Kailash, consulting dermatologist, Clear Skin Hair and Layer Center, Kannur. Today we are going to discuss about skin pigmentation, that is hyperpigmentation, its causes and treatment modalities. What is hyperpigmentation? Hyperpigmentation is a common skin condition which affects people of all skin types. Hyperpigmentation is the darkening of the skin or even nail area due to excess production of melanin. Melanin is a pigment which gives color to the skin. Hyperpigmentation occurs when the skin produces more melanin, which causes spots or patches of the skin, and they seem to be darker than the surrounding area. Causes of skin pigmentation. Skin pigmentation can be diffuse or focal, usually affecting areas such as face and back of the hands. The most common cause of pigmentation is excess exposure to sunlight, that is skin tanning. And the people with darker skin are more prone to get skin pigmentation. Aside from sun exposure, a number of additional factors can cause hyperpigmentation, which include conditions like skin inflammation, that is due to acne, eczema, lupus, fungal infection, or any injury to the skin, or reaction to the drugs such as antimalarials, sulfonamides, tricyclic antidepressants can cause hyperpigmentation. Medical conditions such as Addison's disease and other sources of adrenal insufficiency, in which melanocyte stimulating hormone is frequently elevated and in turn stimulates melanin synthesis, or Cushing disease or other ACTH production can cause more melanocyte stimulating production, which in turn leads to melanin synthesis. Acanthosis nigricans is one of the other cause in which there is a darkening and thickening of the skin in body folds such as neck, axilla, groin, and is associated with insulin resistance in obese or diabetics. Hormonal causes such as melasma, also known as chloasma or mask of pregnancy, as it is common during pregnancy. It is a common skin problem that causes dark, discolored, patchy hyperpigmentation, typically occurs on the face and is symmetrical with matching marks on both sides of the face. The condition is more common in women than men. Other hormonal disorders that can cause skin pigmentation can occur during menopause or thyroid dysfunction. Post-acne marks leads to post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Other causes such as exposure to certain chemicals such as salicylic acid, bleomycin, and cisplatin, and some other causes such as smoker's melanosis, Graves' disease, vitamin B12 deficiency leads to hyperpigmentation. Genetics. In some, it may be genetically inherited to cause pigmentation, hence it is important to protect from sunlight or sun damage. And the last but not the least is post-skin procedures with improper care and sun protection, and post-phototherapy can cause skin pigmentation. Treatment. A variety of depigmenting treatments are available, including topical creams and dermatological procedures such as chemical peeling, microdermabrasion, and laser treatment. Topical treatment. We dermatologists recommend non-hydroquinone based topicals to even out skin tone and make the skin soft and smooth. The most popularly used topicals are kojic acid, azelaic acid, glycolic acid, salicylic acid, and ascorbic acid. Dermatological procedures are required to target deep layers of skin pigmentation and make the skin soft, smooth, and firm, as the conservative treatment cannot target the deeper layers of pigmentation. Among them, the popular are chemical peel, microdermabrasion, and laser treatment. Let us know in detail regarding these procedures. Chemical peel. Chemical peel should be done under the supervision of dermatologist. He will choose the type and strength of chemical peel best suited to your skin. The superficial skin is peeled off, which allows topical tyrosinase inhibitors to penetrate more effectively. Second is microdermabrasion, in which mechanical exfoliation is done by vacuum suction and abrasive material exfoliates the top layer of skin. Multiple sessions will be needed in combination with sunscreen or other creams to get optimum results. Laser treatment. Laser treatment emits light energy which is quickly converted into heat and passes harmlessly through the upper layer of the skin, with standard with highest success rate in treating skin pigmentation by targeting the excess pigment in the skin called melanin by fracturing the pigment into tiny particles and ensures an even skin tone. Fractional skin resurfacing laser such as CO2 and erbium YAG laser works by vaporizing the damaged cells, thus inducing collagen regeneration and subsequent new cell formation. Hence, these lasers help in hyperpigmentation and even fine lines or wrinkles. Intense pulse light system. IPL targets the melanin in the skin due to sun damage and redness, as it emits an intense light to penetrate deep into skin layers and thus commonly called as photofacial laser. Pico lasers quickly penetrate the skin and treat hyperpigmented areas to result in even skin tone. This process targets below the surface of the skin and can result faster results. The Pico laser gently disrupts the pigment particles that are responsible for sunspots and discoloration. We at Clear Skin Laser Center is equipped with the most advanced US FDA approved QSICH Nano and Pico laser and fractional Deca CO2 laser, erbium YAG, erbium glass and BTL intense pulse light system to give best outcome to our patients. Preventive measures and instructions to be taken after treatment. In my experience, the best way to prevent pigmentation is by using sunscreen lotions outdoor as well as indoor to avoid hyperpigmentation. As Indians, we are more concerned at tanning, so apply sunscreen for every 4 to 5 hours. After treatment, basic, important and universal precaution is photo protection, that is sun protection. Thanks for watching.